Get back in the car.
You put me over.
Get back in the car.
Okay? You're not hurting me. My car is stopped. You didn't even pull me over. I came, I turned in this parking lot. Call your sergeant. I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
Viewer advisory. This video contains body camera footage depicting physical restraint and an arrest. While presented for educational analysis, some viewers may find portions of this content intense. On July 24, 2025, a patrol officer in Tampa, Florida, initiated a traffic stop on a white Nissan Altima for speeding and an expired temporary license plate. The subject exited her vehicle before the officer reached her. The encounter escalated to a physical struggle and arrest.
Ma'am, get back in your car.
Why you put me over? You put me over. Wait,
Get back in the car.
You put me over.
Get back in the car.
I was out.
Ma'am?
You did not pull me over. Red.
Get back in the car.
I'm staying right here. I'm staying right here. You trying to be rude?
Get back in the car.
I'm not being rude. Why are you telling me to
get back in the car?
You did not pull me over.
Yes, I have.
How you pull me over?
Get back in the car.
Tell me how you put me over first. Okay? You're not hurting me.
I'm going to put you in handcuffs.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Because you're trying to be rude. Now you're holding my hand so hard.
Ma'am,
Greg,
stop pulling away from me.
Come up here on 43rd. Come up here at Dollar Tree, because now you're trying to put me in handcuffs.
Not today, too.
Because he did not pull me over. You know you didn't pull me over. You know you didn't pull me over. You see me drive. And now you're trying to roughen me up. You're trying to roughen me up because I'm not in the car. You is being nasty for no reason. It don't make, and I'm glad your camera can show. I pulled over here and I actually stopped. My car is stopped. You didn't even pull me over. I came, turned in this parking lot. Call your sergeant. Call your sergeant. Because now you're trying to make it seem like I'm defiant, and I'm not being defiant. I got out my car for a reason. I got license. I got license and everything. It's in my purse. You locking my hand up with my purse.
Okay.
I know what's wrong. And you did not pull me over the right way. 862.
I do not need 1018.
You did not pull me over the right way. Wait. Let me get my phone, please.
I will get
Can I grab it? Because you're being rude to me for no reason. You being so rude. You being too rude.
Well,
and I don't got no weapons or nothing. I already know what's up. My tag is.
You're being back in the car like I told you.
But listen to me.
Stop.
Can you listen to me? RN Lim. You pulled me. You didn't pull me over the right way. No, you didn't. I was waiting. I passed for him.
Stop.
You doing being nasty.
Stop.
I'm a mental patient. I'm a mental patient, so it don't matter. Let me sit on the ground. I'm a mental patient. I'm a mental patient. You didn't pull me over the right way. You sitting here lying. You didn't pull me over at all. You wait till I came here and I stopped. My car was off and everything. Now you're trying to rough me up for no reason because you know you
Stop.
Stop what? Stop what? I'm sitting here talking to you and you ain't trying to hear me. You nasty. You being nasty, dog. I don't even give a you being so nasty and you trying to hurt me. You trying to hurt me. You trying to hurt me, dog. This is so up.
I'm trying to stop you from resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting at all. Listen, sir, I'm not resisting. You're hurting me. You is hurting me. Man, y'all is nasty. Y'all hurting me.
Relax.
Y'all hurting me.
Stop.
I'm relaxed.
It doesn't sound relaxed to me.
I am. I have anxiety. I'm a mental patient. I have anxiety. You said that you pulled me. I can't even breathe. You can get my purse. I don't have no drugs, no nothing on me.
Nobody said you had drugs on you.
You didn't even pull me over the right way.
I did pull you over.
No, you didn't. You actually had that other car. Man, I can't wait. I'm taking this to court because you sitting here lying. I passed.
Ma'am, please stop moving.
Tell my sister, please.
Stop.
Y'all hurting me.
Stop.
They hurting me.
You're going to the ground. Yeah.
I go to the ground. Look at this shit, dog. Look at this shit. I am relaxed.
Stop resisting.
I'm hurting. Call her. I need ambulance.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting, sir. Take my purse. I'll take it.
I'm trying. Please stop.
Please, I need the ambulance. I can't breathe. I can't breathe, sir.
Stop resisting.
I'm not resisting. Take the purse. I'm hurting.
I got that.
I'm hurting. Oh my God. I'm hurting.
Stop.
Mom, I'm hurting. You hurting me for no reason. You being rude to me for no reason. I'm not going anywhere. Oh my God, I'm being done so wrong, dog. I'm being done so wrong. I didn't do anything. You being rude to me for no reason. You just choked me up and just threw me out and put me on the floor, all of that. My idea.
You're good. I was going with 12 rooms where it was on the map, and I was like, oh, crap.
I told him to update it to Dollar Tree. No, I heard Dollar Tree. She's not something, thank you.
That is 5-1.
Lord.
Sir, I need to be rude, sir, but can you turn the AC on, please?
I'll turn it on full blast for you. It's as high as it goes.
All my information. My name is Tanisha. Only thing I'm upset is because, sir, you didn't stop me correctly.
Okay, I did stop you correctly. We can stop that right now because I know how to pull cars over. I pulled you over by the book, and
okay,
that's.
I just bought that car from the auction,
Okay.
and that tag is expired. So that's why I was kind of scared. The tag is expired, so I was very scared.
Okay.
And I know I'm going to get another ticket for that. So I'm not being rude or anything, but
I wasn't going to give you a ticket for anything.
Huh?
I wasn't going to give you a ticket for anything.
Well, I mean,
I was going to give you a warning for speeding, and you decided to act all.
no, because sir, I was scared, and I know that is wrong.
A little bit.
Oh, that's the only reason, sir.
Hey, just pull your car up. Just pull your car back a bit, and I'll get out of the way.
You're about to have a heart attack.
Okay.
Oh my God, I'm sweating so bad. Can you please?
I just turned up the AC as much as it'll go, ma'am.
I can't believe you treated me like this. I promise, I am legit. I don't do any wrongdoing. I was just scared because I know that tag is expired. That's the only thing.
Okay.
And I was trying to talk to you calmly. I can't believe I was done like this. I've never been.
What's your name?
My name is Tanisha. Got me signing the break, and that's me.
Okay.
That is me. My driver's license is in my car. I could have given you everything.
Yeah, but you decided not to. You
No,
decided to jump out of the car.
I got out the car because I was going to get ready to go in the store, and you told me to get back in the car.
Right.
And I was just frustrated. I was kind of confused because I didn't.
There was no confusion, ma'am. I told you exactly what to do. That's not confusing at all.
So am I arrested?
Right now, you are detained.
I'm going to sign my daughter up for school right now. Oh my goodness. I apologize for everything I did with sir. Oh, sir, like you're being truthful. I passed the light. I passed the light, and then you couldn't.
Just search her, make sure she doesn't have anything on her, if you don't mind.
Is there anybody can wipe my face?
I gotta go ahead, step out real quick.
Yeah, my shoe. I don't know what my shoe is. My feet is
That's why we get it. But go ahead, turn around for me. Widen your stance.
Yeah,
you
I
have
don't have
anything on you?
No, I don't have
Okay.
anything on me. I don't know. That's why I understand why he's treating me like a criminal. I'm not a bad person. I don't have no drugs on me. Anything. I don't do drugs. You can look at my
Just
purse.
stay how you are. Just stay how you are. Widen your stance.
Yes, I can't believe. Oh my goodness! Y'all treat me like a criminal. I don't have no drugs on me. I don't have no
I
reason
have
to
to do
run.
it anyways. Okay, this is not. I don't.
But you know what? I'm so sick of living in America.
Okay,
This
go
is weird.
stay how you are.
I have no drugs on me, ma'am.
As long as
I
you're.
can lift my whole bra up.
I do not.
Look, no drugs.
Do not do that. Okay.
Because
it has to be done.
ma'am, I
anyways.
understand your job, but I am very frustrated. I'm a woman.
Listen, I don't.
I didn't do
at
shit.
this point, I don't. I gotta do this. I don't care if you're a woman, man. I don't care. I gotta do it anyways.
So it don't make no sense. They threw me on the ground and everything. I want all y'all badge numbers. Can I get my shoe, please? I can't believe they did me like this for no reason.
On camera, I wanted to say what you just said.
Yes, sir, Dr. Lamb. Could you please give? I'm sorry, Officer Lamb. Could you please give him all my belongings except for my phone? Yes,
Okay, I'm gonna take your phone out of here, and he's gonna get all your stuff.
Greg, I'm going to jail for resisting arrest. So I'll call you when I get down there. You gotta use that pink and white card, the BMO card.
This is the gentleman you want to have all your stuff. You
Yeah.
take the car, keys, everything.
Yes,
Okay.
he knows. And Greg, go call the phone and stuff.
Okay.
All right. And she just wanted that in the car, not take it with her. The business here, did you take a car to get here?
No, I got somebody drop me off.
You dropped off. Okay. I was gonna say otherwise, you can talk to the business and just let them know, hey, gotta go get a ride, and you can come back for the car, okay? But she'll be going over to Orient Road Jail. She'll get a chance to give you a call from over there, okay?
Okay.
Let's examine the constitutional framework.
Under Delaware versus Prowse, a traffic stop is constitutionally permissible when an officer observes a traffic violation. Here, speeding and an expired temporary tag are two independent, articulable bases for the stop. The Fourth Amendment is satisfied. The officer's authority to proceed is not in dispute. Pennsylvania versus Mimms, decided by the United States Supreme Court in 1977, is unambiguous. During a lawful traffic stop, an officer may order the driver to exit or remain inside the vehicle as a matter of course. That authority requires no individualized suspicion. Compliance is a legal obligation, not a choice. Under Florida Statutes Section 843.02, a person commits resisting without violence when they resist, obstruct, or oppose an officer in the lawful execution of a legal duty. Florida's Second District Court of Appeal held in CEL versus State that physically pulling away from an officer's control, combined with refusal to comply with repeated lawful commands, satisfies the obstruction element of that statute. The stop is lawful. The officer is executing a legal duty. The statutory threshold is crossed on camera. Graham versus Connor, 1989, requires that force be judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the scene. Three factors apply: the severity of the offense, whether the subject poses an immediate threat, and whether the subject is actively resisting or attempting to evade. The offense here is a misdemeanor traffic violation, low severity. No weapon is displayed, threat level is moderate. However, the subject is actively and physically resisting restraint. That third factor supports the ground control and handcuffing applied. The force used, soft to hard empty hand control, is proportional under the Graham standard on these facts. A significant Fourth Amendment issue arises during the pat-down. The officer states the search has to be done regardless of circumstances. Terry versus Ohio requires a pat-down to be grounded in reasonable, articulable suspicion that the subject is armed and dangerous. Florida's Stop and Frisk Act, Section 901.151, mirrors this federal standard. A nonviolent, unarmed woman in a retail parking lot does not automatically satisfy that standard absent additional specific observations. An officer's subjective belief that a search is procedurally required does not substitute for articulable facts under Florida versus JL. The officer's on-camera statement that he intended only to issue a warning for speeding is legally and contextually significant. Atwater versus City of Lago Vista confirms that a custodial arrest for a misdemeanor is constitutionally permissible, but Atwater does not require an arrest. Discretion remains with the officer. The arrest here arose solely from non-compliance during the stop. Had the subject returned to the vehicle on the first command, no arrest, no charge, and no criminal record would have followed. The charge confirmed on camera is resisting an officer without violence. Under Florida Statutes, Section 843.02, a first-degree misdemeanor carrying a maximum of 1 year in county jail and a $500 fine. Final case disposition, including any dismissal, plea, or trial outcome, is unknown at the time of this analysis. Should the subject challenge this arrest, the officer's on-camera admission of intent to warn provides material for a proportionality argument, though it does not defeat the statutory basis for the charge, given the physical resistance captured on camera. The arresting officer receives a B-. The traffic stop is constitutionally sound. Multiple verbal commands were issued before any physical escalation. Correct procedure. The force applied is proportional under Graham. Post-arrest process is professional. However, two specific failures lower the grade. First, when the subject disclosed she was a mental patient with anxiety, the officer did not adjust his communication approach. Florida Statutes Section 943.1727 mandates crisis intervention training for law enforcement. That training requires a modified response, slower commands, active listening when a subject discloses a mental health condition. Second, the pat-down rationale is legally insufficient as articulated. I have to do it anyways is not a Terry-compliant justification. The subject receives a C+. Her core legal error is fundamental. She contested a lawful order at the scene rather than through the court system. The right to challenge a stop exists. That right is exercised in court, not through physical noncompliance on the roadside. Physically pulling away from the officer's control during handcuffing is the direct, on-camera basis for the obstruction charge. Her repeated verbal assertion that she was not resisting is contradicted by what the footage documents. Credit is due for de-escalating once secured in the patrol unit, for honest disclosure of the expired tag, and for not physically, but a warning-only traffic stop became a misdemeanor arrest. entirely as a consequence of choices made in the first 40 seconds. 3 lessons from this encounter. First, comply now, contest later. Under Florida law, roadside noncompliance with a lawful traffic stop command is a criminal offense, not a protected right. The courthouse, not the curb, is the venue to challenge an officer's authority. Second, mental health disclosures require a trained response. An officer who hears I am a mental patient with anxiety and does not adjust approach has failed to apply the crisis intervention standard the law requires of them. Third, a pat-down is not a default procedure. Every search must be independently justified by articulable facts. The phrase "I have to do it anyways" is not a legal standard. It is a training failure waiting to become a suppression motion. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.